Let's get baking. These sweet little Easter cookies are an Italian nonna's specialty. They're called taralli dolce di Pasqua. I'm starting off with some flour and baking powder, sifted for air. And now I gotta get my eggs really nice and frothy, so I'm throwing them in the mixer. Yes, look at that, nice and frothy. Now, of course, I can't make sweet cookies without a little sugar. And baker's best friend, a little vanilla. And these are really deliciously lemony cookies, so I'm going for the double whammy. Lemon extract and lemon zest. Melted butter is an absolute for sure for dense, chewy cookies. This one's great for the frothy eggs, but for mixing that flour in, I need my paddle. That's a good dough. It's really nice and stiff and thick, and it's gonna be perfect for shaping later. But first, a little trip to the fridge. This is a great time to get the kids involved. It's never too early to start as an apprentice. First ball, then rope, then you're gonna see the iconic shape of these Italian cookies. There you go. Ciao, bambinos. Simple icing here, just powdered sugar, milk, a little vanilla, and a little bit of that lemon extract. I've warmed it up so it's gonna dry even crunchier. Wanna go for a dip? Like I could get more color in there. So I'm gonna do a little touch of my own. Colored white chocolate. I like how springtime tastes in Italy. These are so simple and so delicious.